my dear beginners in sewing, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to be talking about pattern drafting and pattern making materials in this video, because in the next couple of videos I'm going to be showing you how to make patterns for your outfits as a beginner. So here are some of the materials that you'll be needing for your pattern making. So first of all, you're going to be needing your pattern papers, and they usually come in two colors, which is white and brown. So whichever one you get is fine actually. You're also going to be needing pencils, you're going to be needing a marker, you're going to be needing curves, you're going to be needing curves. There are several types of curves, but you can just go ahead and get this pattern master. Just go ahead and get pattern master because it contains everything that you're going to be needing, like for the hip curve, armhole, and even the straight part for straight ruling. You can actually get others later, but with this one you are very good to go. And for purchase, you can purchase any of these items in any local tailoring or fabric store in your area or in the market. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video, where we're going to be talking about different parts of sewing for beginners and how to make different kind of styles, outfits. And trust me, you do not want to miss my videos. You don't want to miss any of my videos. This will be a very good time to subscribe to the channel, to like this video, share this video with your friends and people that you know are interested in videos like this, people you know that are interested in tailoring and sewing. And I'll see you in my next one.